So, yun po kasi yung ano no, kagandahan ng alam natin yung mga talentong binigay sa atin, yung mga positibong ugali, karakter, skills na binigay sa atin. Kasi if we know that, we can enrich it. And once we enrich our skills, our talents, our positive traits, it's like giving back to the divine creator, to God, to the universe, all the blessings that He has provided us. And more importantly, if we will be given the avenue to share our talents and skills to others, that will not only make us have a financial stability in our lives, but at the same time, iba po yung fulfillment na nagagamit nyo yung talento nyo, nagagamit nyo yung kabutihang ugali nyo para matulungan ang ating kapwa.